The available relaxation comfort seat on your Ioniq is designed to provide a zero-gravity chair experience. To activate it, press the right side of the comfort seat switch for 1 second. A notification will appear on the touchscreen, then press the switch again within 5 seconds. The seat cushion, seat back angle, and leg support will automatically adjust to an optimum setting for napping or reading. To return to the normal seating position, press the left side of the comfort seat switch. The seat will then return to the original position. There are several prerequisites for using the comfort seat. It cannot be used when the vehicle is not in park, and it cannot be used when the rear seat belts are fastened. In addition, make sure there are no items in the rear seat area when using the relaxation seat. Finally, ensure that the rear seats are in their rearmost position and upright before using the relaxation seat. Your owner's manual contains more information on these features and settings, as well as other valuable information on your Ioniq. Please be certain to read it to learn more about it. For more helpful information on your Hyundai, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Hyundai USA YouTube channel and myhyundai.com.